श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम मंगलम साईनाथाय मंगलम सर्वमुहूर्तये मंगलम भक्तवश्याय शिरडिवासाय मंगलम. Sairam, dear devotees, happy Yugadi, happy New Year. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶ್ವಾವಸು ಸಂವತ್ಸರದ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. అందరికీ యుగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. This year is very special to us. Our temple anniversary and Yugadi came on same day. So we should celebrate temple anniversary and Yugadi at the same time, 3 days. Yesterday we did Kalasha Sthapana and today we are doing Navagraha and Hanuman Moolamantra Homa and then Panchamrtadi Abhisheka to Hanuman and then Maha Kumbhabhisheka to Hanuman and Dattatreya. Tomorrow morning again we are doing Sai Moolamantra Homa, Maha Abhisheka to Sri Sadguru Sai Baba and then Dhupa Deepa Maha Arati, Nakshatra Arati, Ratha Arati, Shodashopachara Puja, Mantra Pushpa, everything is there. Please come and join with us. Temple anniversary means whole year we all come and pray to God, and now we have to pray for Devata to get more Sanithya like that. Instead of our own Sankalpa, we have to pray for God. At the same time today, for Makara Rashi people, Sade Sati is going to be end. The Kumbha Rashi people, the second Sade Sati will finished and third Sade Sati will happen. Meena Rashi also, second 2.5 years is done, and this year onwards, Mesha Rashi people also getting Sardha Saptama Varsha, means Sade Sati. So everybody, Shaneshchara Anugraha and also Navagraha Anugraha, God will give you and give good blessing and live very happily like that. We are praying for everyone. At the same time, today we are doing Shaneshchara Tila Homa also. Whoever you are there in your home and your family, everybody pray for Shaneshchara, do Hanuman Chalis Parayana and everything. Today evening we have Panchanga Shravana also. Please come and take the Panchanga Shravana. One of the very important thing is today you all should take Nimbha Vruksha, means neem leaves and chagri. There is a shloka, Shatayur Vajradehaya Sarva Sampatkaraya Cha Sarvarishta Nivaranaya Nimbhakandala Bhakshanam. If you live healthy and 100 years, so you should take the Nimbhakandala Bhakshana today. At the same time, all the new things, new mango, new tamarind, everything, pachadi, make it and take the prasada, and God will give you good blessing like that. We will pray for Sai Baba.
सर्वेषामपि युगादि पर्वणः शुभाकांक्षाणि. नमस्ते. सबको युगादि पर्व का शुभाशयाः. नमस्ते. ओम शांति शांति शांति.